No time like the present. I've just shot a previous video and I thought I might as well open this other delivery, send this out as another video, hopefully without any editing. So it won't be quite as slick as my usual videos. Not that my usual videos are very slick, to be honest. But this is another mini disc delivery from eBay. And the guy who sells this sells loads of mini discs. But what he does is he wipes them and, you know, he erases them. And then he cleans the discs. So when I saw these ones, which I wanted to have a look at, and I haven't seen these for real, you know, in person, I said to him, would you not erase them, so I can, if there's any music, I can never listen to that. But also, if they need cleaning up and labels removed, that make a good video, because I quite like doing that sort of stuff. And we had a little chat. It's a nice bloke on eBay, and I don't know whether he's actually sent me the ones that I ordered. I said, send me the ones you've ordered, even if you've cleaned them up, because I particularly wanted these ones, these discs. So I don't know whether he's cleaned them and taken the labels off. No, look, they've still got labels on them. So he's stuck, oh, there we go, there's a bit of sellotape on them. So he apparently gets all his minis from a job lot. So this again looks like the original cases, because I don't recognise those. Is more TDK XS-iV. There's not much in the way of labels on them, so I wonder if there's any music on them. But interesting discs. I've never seen these. I've never seen these before. Oh, it's got a blue back on it. A nice back. Let's have a quick look through the other ones as well. I think they're all the same. Yeah, so there's not much of a clean up. No, the cases, oh, the cases on these things scratch so easily. But not much I can do about those. But I like the discs. Didn't expect them to have cases on them, slip cases. So that's it. Maybe another video with no editing I can upload straight from my phone at some point. So hopefully things will settle down a little bit for me and I'll be able to do a few more videos. But what I have noticed before I go is that case is a blue one. The other ones are grey. So we haven't got matching cases, but no big deal, because I like the discs. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.